Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you on your MobiOffice app. All you have to do inverse, sorry, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here. So then you click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here. So then you come here to uh, you click here on profile options here, or you click here on spell check in settings. You come here to spell check in background. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here spell check in background disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.